Sony have released Firmware 6 for Sony FX6. Now, before you firmware update your Sony FX6, one more thing which I want to say, and I think no one is saying, is make sure that all the components which came with the camera body, not the lens, like your top handle, your viewfinder, your side handle, and everything which was on the camera should be attached and connected with the cables as well, and then it will be able to firmware update the camera. Otherwise, once you will start firmware updating the camera, it will go corrupt. So make sure that you have everything attached to the camera which comes with the body. So to firmware update the camera, first of all, what you need to do is you need to put your card in the B slot of your camera, not the A slot, B slot, and then format. To format the card, I will long press the menu button to go to the full menus, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the timecode media, and here I will scroll down on format media. We'll go to media B, and here on media B you will say full format and execute. Okay, and now you need to download the firmware update. So to do that, first of all, just simply go on your Google or Safari or wherever you want to go and search Sony FX6 Firmware 6. And I'll put the link in description as well. So once you see this, you will click on this and it will take you to this page where you will have the download button. You will go here and you will click on download, and by clicking on that, you will be able to download the firmware file. This file is going to be almost 1 giga file. And once you're done with downloading, just connect your card with your laptop or your PC and then open your card. Now copy the firmware file on the root structure of your card. Not anywhere, root structure of your card. And once it's copied on your card, you will eject that. Now bring the card to your camera and put it back into the B slot. So long press the menu button, scroll down till you see maintenance, and in here you scroll down till the end and click on version. And here you have version up. If you will click on this, it will give you an option to firmware update from 5.02 to firmware 6 or whatever your firmware was. And once you click on this, it will start firmware updating. But before you firmware update, make sure two things are correct. First of all, you should never eject the card, which is no one should do, but I'm just telling you guys. And then second thing which is important is your power should not run off. If you have a battery, make sure that it's a fully charged battery. It's going to take like 5 to 20 minutes to firmware update. So make sure that you have a battery which can last that long. Now, once you will click on the firmware update and you will confirm that, what will happen is it's going to turn off the camera and a red light will start blinking on the side of the camera in the B slot where the card is. And it will gradually speed up. And when it speeds up, it means that it's almost going to the end. So once you're done with firmware updating your camera, the first thing which you're gonna see is this screen, and I would say that it will always reset your date. So come here and change the date. So I'm in 2026 now, and then I will say set. Time now is 11:54, 54, 55, and then I will say set. And now I will say finish. And if there are any more questions regarding this video, you can put those in comments and I'll make sure that I'll reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.